can discuss another first type assignment problem. The question is, consider the problem of assigning 5 jobs to 5 persons. The assignment codes are given as follows. Determine the optimum assignment schedule. Here is the assignment problem matrix. So the first step, as all we know, the first step is find the minimum value in each rows and subtract from the other values in that row. Okay. So here in the first row 1 is the minimum value. So I subtract this 1. Here 8 minus 1 is 7, 4 minus 1 3, 2 minus 1 1, 6 minus 1 5 and 0. Second row 0 is the minimum value. So there is no change in that row. 9, 5, 5, 4. In the third row, this 2 is the minimum value. So 3 minus 2 is 1, 8 minus 2 is 6, 9 minus 2 is 7, 2 minus 2 is 0, 6 minus 2 is 4. Okay. In the fourth row, the 0 is the minimum value. So there is no change in that row. 4, 3, 1, 0, 3. Okay. And the last row, the 5 is the minimum value. So 9 minus 5 is 4, 5 minus 5 0, 8 minus 5 3, 9 minus 5 4 and 5 minus 5 0. So this is the first step. Okay. Next step is to repeat this step by considering the columns. Okay. Now consider the first column. First column 0 is the minimum value, so there is no change. So I write 7, 0, 1, 4, 4. In the next column also there is 0 in this column, so there is no change. 3, 9, 6, 3, 0. In the third column, 1 is the minimum value. So 1 minus 1, 0, 5 minus 1, 4, 7 minus 1, 6, 1 minus 1, 0, 3 minus 1, 2. In the next column, there is 0, so there is no change. 5, 5, 0, 0, 4. In the next column, that means last column, they also have 0. So 0, 4, 4, 3, 0. Okay. So this is our last box. Now the last step is to assign the single zeros in each rows and columns. For that, I take the first row, but it contains 2 zeros, so I can't take it. In the second row, there is only 1 0, so I assign the 0 and cancel the zeros in that column. There is no zeros in that column. So next, I take the third row. There is 1 0 here, so I assign the 0 and cancel the zeros in this column. So I cancel this. Then I take the fourth row. It contains 0, 1 0, so I assign this and cancel the zeros in column. Okay. Then I take the fifth row, but they contain 2 zeros, so I can't take that one. Now I consider the columns. In the first column, there is no more zeros. In the second column, there is 1 0 here, so I assign this and cancel the zeros in this row, so I cancel this. In the third column, there is no more zeros. In the fourth column, there is no more zeros, and in the fifth column, there is 1 0, so I assign here and cancel the zeros here. There is no more zeros. Now all the zeros are cancelled or assigned, and all columns and rows contain 1 assigned 0. So now I can stop it here. Okay, then the last step is to find the total cost. So now the total cost is here in the first row, last column. First row, last column is 1. So 1 plus. Then second row, first column. second row, first column, it is 0. Plus, then third row, fourth column, third row, fourth column, it is 2. Plus, fourth row, third column, fourth row, third column, it is 1. 1. Plus, then fifth row, second column, fifth row, second column, it is 5. And the last answer is 9. Hope you will understand this by doing more problems like this. This is the type 1 of the assignment problems. They have type 2 and type 3 problems. We can upload that videos in the coming soon. So thank you.